So what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you how can you make a power bank. So for this you'll need a battery, something like this, as you can see. So a battery like this, so which has positive and negative wire. So this is a normal smartphone battery. So you'll need just this thing. So this thing is a micro USB port. So as you can see, so this is a micro USB port and it's positive. Just connect it to the battery's positive and negative wire. As you can see, the red is positive and black is negative, and it has also two wires. So just connect them by matching its color, and then with heat shrink pipe just cover it up, and then just attach some black tape, electrical tape with it. As you can see, attach it tightly. So it's now set, and some more. So as you can see, now it's done. So now how will it works? If you got some electronic device like this, which called OTG fan, so which has 2 pin like this, so you can easily run it with this power bank, as you can see. And it has so much wind, as you can see. So as you can see, for the sound, as you can see. So, and you can do another thing, that is, if you have a OTG cable like this, you can do everything. So like this USB, this doesn't have like this port. So as you can see, it slides up, see. So yeah, for more informative video, subscribe my channel, and till then, bye bye. And another thing, you can also use this type of mini fan which has a full USB cable, so you can use it with OTG. So you don't have to cut the OTG, just plug it in and spin the fan. So yep, as you can see. Okay, so also you can do with this thing too. Just so till then, bye bye. And don't copyright this song, okay? Don't copyright it.